Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the current affairs in English of the 11th November 2022. So first of all, we will discuss about the question that I have given in the last video. The question was, who called preamble the identity card of the constitution? Option A Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, option B is Mahatma Gandhi, option C is N.K. Palkhiwala, option D is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So correct option is option C, N.K. Palkhiwala called the preamble the identity card of the constitution. Next, we will discuss about the national current affairs news. In the national current affairs news, first is the Chief Minister of Goa, Pramod Sawant, has launched the logo of the Purple Fest, which is held in the Manohar Parikar Memorial Hall in the Porvorim. And this Purple Fest is organized by the Office of State Commission for Person with Disability in Goa in collaboration with the Directorate of the Social Welfare and Entertainment Society of Goa. Next is the PM Narendra Modi will give the gift to the G20 leader in the Bali summit of the local artifacts that is made in Himachal Pradesh. The G20 summit will take place in the Indonesia capital city that is in Bali, in which from India side PM Narendra Modi will attend the G20 summit and he will present the made in Himachal Pradesh artifact to the global leaders that attended the G20 summit. Next is the PM Gati Shakti multimodal waterway summit will be organized in the Varanasi, and this PM Gati Shakti multimodal waterway summit will be held in at the Deen Dayal Hastkala Sankul that is located in the Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Next is the 18th International Telemedicine Conference will be held in the Kerala. So 18th edition of the International Telemedicine Conference will be held at the Kochi in Kerala. Next is the 42nd International Congress of the INCA that is inaugurated in the Dehradun. The full form of INCA is the Indian National Cartographic Association. So 42nd International Congress of the Indian National Cartographic Association will be held in the Dehradun from the 9th November to 11th November. Next is the India joins the Mangrove Alliance for the Climate at the COP27. So India has joined the Mangrove Alliance for the Climate at COP27. Next is the according to the Morgan Stanley, the India will become the third largest economy by the 2027, suppressing the Japan and Germany. Next is the in the QS Asia University Ranking 2023, the IIT Bombay is the top educational institution in the Southern Asia. So IIT Bombay is the best educational institution in the Southern Asia, while IIT Delhi will be at the second place. Next, we will discuss about the science and technology related news. In the science and technology related news, the Skyroot is the private company who made the first rocket that is ready for the launch from the Sriharikota. The Skyroot is the first privately developed rocket company. This Skyroot is the private company who manufacture the rocket and it will launch their first rocket from the Sriharikota under the mission Prarambh, and it is the first rocket of the Skyroot company. Next, we will discuss about the international news. So, in the international news, the UNESCO has warned the world that the glacier will be disappeared by 2050 because it is reducing, the size of the glacier is reducing at very fast. So, by the year of 2050, the glacier might disappear. Next is the Google has launched the Flood Hub. Flood hub is the platform to forecast the flood, and this flood hub, it is the platform that shows the area and time where the flood would occurs in order to inform the people about the natural calamity, and the authority can assist them with effectively. This Flood Hub platform is launched by the Google. Next is the Aruna Miller. Aruna Miller, she is the first ever Indian American to hold the office in the Maryland. So she became the first immigrant to hold the office of Lieutenant Governor in Maryland. Her name is Aruna Miller. Next, we will discuss about the report published. So, State of Food and Agricultural Report 2022. It is published by the FAO, means United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization. So, this State of Food and Agriculture Report 2022 has been published by the FAO, means Food and Agriculture Organization. Next, we will discuss about the awards related news. So, in the awards related news, the Arfa Khanum Sherwani will receive the Kuldeep Nayar Patrakarita Samman Award for the 2022, and the Gandhi Peace Foundation will announce the Kuldeep Nayar Patrakarita Samman Award for the 2022, of which Arfa Khanum Sherwani have received the Kuldeep Nayar Patrakarita Samman Award for 2022. Next is the YKC Wadiyar received the International Kannadiga Ratna 2022. He is the member of the royal family, that is Yaduvir Krishna Raja Chamaraja Wadiyar, has been selected for the International Kannada Ratna Award. Next is the Dr. Subhas Babu will receive the Bailey K. Ashford Medal. He is the prominent Indian physician and scientist. Dr. Subhas Babu has received the Bailey K. Ashford Medal for 2022. Next, we will discuss about the important days celebrated, in which the World Science Day for the Peace and Development is observed on the 10th of November. It is celebrated every year on the 10th of November to mark the significance of science in the society, and the theme for the 2022 World Science Day for Peace and Development is Basic Sciences for Sustainable Development. The theme is Basic Sciences for Sustainable Development. Next, we will discuss about the sports related news. So, in the sports related news, the Uttar Pradesh will host the 2023 Khelo India University Games. So, the Khelo India National University Games will be conducted in the Uttar Pradesh in the 4 cities, including the Lucknow, Gorakhpur, Varanasi and Noida. In these 4 places, the Khelo India National University Games will take place. So, this is the current affairs of the 11th of November. Next, at the last, we are giving one question. So, today's question is, which of the following was India's first biosphere reserve? Option A is the Sundarban, option B the Nanda Devi, option C the Nilgiri, option D is the Panchamadi. So, please give the correct answer in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.